Hello, Andy here at FlixMyswitchLaser. If you're new, you're very welcome. If you are a returning viewer, many thanks for your continued support. So you've got a Ray5, and when the gantry is moving left to right, you're hearing that squeak as per the thumbnail and the short video introduction. This can easily be solved. On the screen now you can see the metal screw with, I have the white insert, sometimes they're black, and as you can see on the right hand side of the picture here, they go on the rear of the laser module, and what they do, they help guide the module up and down when you are releasing the two bolts on the front to actually focus the laser up and down. Now that squeak happens because the head of these screws rub on the 2020 aluminium extrusion of the gantry. So what they need to do is just be tweaked up very slightly. So just get a screwdriver or a hex wrench, depending what type of screw you have, and literally give it of a tightening turn, and hopefully that will cure your problem. If you look down from the top of the laser module, so looking down on the control board, you can sometimes actually see these screws protruding, and the heads do get very close to the aluminium extrusion. So if you have the squeak, the heads will be more obvious than if you don't have the squeaky noise. Anyway, don't be tempted to do them up super tight, because that's a steel bolt on aluminium extrusion and you do not want to strip the aluminium threads. Anyway, I hope that's cured your squeak. No more mice in the cupboard for you. That's Andy, as ever, wishing you a great afternoon. Continue to make some happy, safe smoke, and perhaps you'll join me in my next video. Cheers for now. Thank you for making it to the end of my videos, much appreciated. If you like what I'm doing and I've earned your trust and respect, perhaps you would consider subscribing. If you leave a comment, I will answer them as well, and if you give me a thumbs up, it will put a smile on my face. Perhaps you would like some of the videos popping up now. See you in the next one.